Guys, I'm about to show you something. Look at this. Mother cat eating. Here eating. Sarah eating. Everybody eating. But look at this. Unfortunately, I had to put his food up here because he ran away leaving. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Hiding. Hiding. He heard some noise outside and this cat is hiding. Can't even see him the way it's dark around here. He left his food on the ground because he was with the others. I had to bring it up here because I didn't want them eating it out. But this cat is around here hiding. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Aren't you hungry? Guys, he's hiding. Pia. Pia. Mer. Mer. Sarah. 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 Mer.
Wow.
Everybody busy, guys. I just wanted to show you that, guys. Mr. Big Bad and Bold. That's him hiding around here. Not even supposed to be up here. Come. Not teaching you to eat up an eye. Come. Come. Not teaching you to eat up an eye. I just took it up because I didn't want the other cats to eat it. Yes. I was wondering how long you were gonna take to come out for it. Well, you're hiding. Guys, if you did enjoy this little video, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Peace. We out.